Hello everyone. We are here to see this best from West activity, which is made from some foam sheet, cardboard, thermocol piece, glitter paper, and few sticks, sponge, all those things. This dollhouse is basically a pretend play activity game. I have used a toothpaste box for this and a tea packet wrapper to make a kitchen out of this box. Some sponge or foam sheet is also used to make some of the brick walls and flooring, all those things. Simple staircase is made, and here you can see the bedroom decor. Here I have used old cloth bag. Okay, you can see this, right, and a lace, simple lace to make a bed. You can also see the soft sponge used for a bed. Okay, so all in all, this is just made from one cardboard box, and you can see few items. Let me tell you what are these items. This is a center table which is made with a cardboard round table and a vest sellotape case. Okay, and I have used magnetic sheet for this. तो magnetic sheet लगाने से this is in place actually. Similarly, some paint and a cardboard box with a magnet. This makes it easy for children to play as a pretend play. This is a TV. This is sofa. As I told you, this is made from the Fevicol and glitter paper. Okay, and here goes another interest point, which is simple fridge. Okay, glittery fridge. Again, the magnetic tape is attached, and this goes like this. Okay, so children can play with this dollhouse easily. This concept is basically to make the waste material useful and have something creative in use. Okay, so Lopamudra has helped me to color this doll house, specifically flooring, garden. You can see lot of things which we have done, a carpet flooring and other sideways windows, panels, everything she has helped me to do so. So this was our activity, school activity as well as a summer vacation activity. Hope you like this activity, and please do let us know in comments. Here we have also used one clock, wall clock from the West material. Okay, so all in all, this was reusing the old wasteful material and creating something new with which Lopa can play. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and do comment in how do you feel that, how do you like it. Thank you.